Listen to your vinyl collection or convert your records to digital audio files with the AT-LP120-USB direct drive turntable. This professional-grade turntable is at home in the living room or music studio. Built around a high-torque direct-drive DC motor, the fully manual turntable incorporates a variable speed control with accurate quartz lock, ensuring stable on-axis rotation at 33 1/3, 45, or 78 RPM speeds. The precision-machined anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter features illuminated stroboscopic dots to provide visual indication of turntable speed. Topping the platter is a soft felt slip mat to help protect the record being played. Designed for the professional, the AT-LP120-USB chassis is constructed of anti-vibration damping materials with heavy metal chassis inserts to help minimize low-frequency acoustical feedback. The turntable's balanced S-shaped tone arm is designed for accurate record orientation, while the hydraulically damped tone arm lift control with lockable rest allows for precise positioning anywhere on the record. To help mitigate tracking errors, the tone arm incorporates a rugged gimbal suspension and precision bearings. A tone arm height adjustment maintains parallel alignment to compensate for records of varying thickness. An adjustable counterweight assembly and anti-skate control make the turntable compatible with a wide range of precision phono cartridges. Included with the AT-LP120-USB is a lightweight aluminum head shell with pre-installed and aligned AT-95E dual magnet cartridge. Additional head shells, available as an accessory, enable users to easily mount and swap out the cartridge of their choice. A removable hinged clear dust cover is also included to protect the turntable when not in use. Able to connect directly to stereo receivers and amplifiers having dedicated phono inputs, the AT-LP120-USB also includes an internal switchable phono preamp, enabling it to be used with powered speakers, home stereos, and other components having no dedicated turntable input. Included accessory cables connect the turntable to a wide range of audio devices. Additionally, the turntable is equipped with a USB output for direct connection to a computer. PC and Mac compatible Audacity recording software is included, enabling users to easily convert analog records to WAV or other digital audio file formats. The AT-LP120-USB direct drive professional turntable from Audio-Technica. Take control of your vinyl with performance that sounds as good as it looks. Discover the world of vinyl or re-experience your classic record collection with this affordable, fully automatic belt drive turntable. Designed to play both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records, the AT-LP60 features intuitive controls for speed selection and record diameter. A front panel lift control enables the stylus to be precisely lowered and raised at any point on the record. Yet the turntable offers fully automatic operation. Simply press the start button to begin play and the stop button to lift and return the tone arm and shut off the turntable. Its anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter is belt-driven by a DC servo-controlled motor to minimize wow and flutter, while a felt slip mat protects the record being played. The AT-LP60's lightweight tone arm incorporates an integral dual magnet phono cartridge with a replaceable diamond stylus. A removable hinged clear dust cover is also included to protect the turntable when not in use. Able to connect directly to stereo receivers and amplifiers having dedicated phono inputs, the AT-LP60 also incorporates an internal switchable phono preamp, allowing it to be used with powered speakers, home stereos, and other components having no dedicated turntable input. Included cables enable the turntable to connect to a wide variety of audio devices. Available in multiple colors, the compact AT-LP60's stylish design complements any decor. The AT-LP60 fully automatic belt drive turntable from Audio-Technica. Automatic convenience brings your records to life.
Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable. This model is an upgraded version of their previously issued and popular LP60. The newer LP60X comes with a few added features and designs. It is a fully automatic belt-driven turntable that operates on 33 and 45 RPM. It has been well made with good materials. The platter is made from die-cast aluminum and is designed to be anti-resonance. The toner and head are made with a slightly different design to enhance tracking and reduce the resonance. And it has a dual magnet cartridge with a diamond stylus that is replaceable. This is a good turntable and one that is a little more expensive than some of the others we have reviewed here. It is neat and tidy with some good features, and made by a reputable audio company. Although, it is very much an entry-level turntable, and therefore does not carry some of the finer design attributes of the more expensive machines. But it is still a good piece of equipment and is certainly worth consideration as one of the best turntables.